Hey, and welcome back. So we are about 50% done with our front end. In the next half, we're going to work on our profile layout. So I will jump back into VS Code. I'm going to navigate to my app.js file and change is logged in to true because I want the profile layout to be rendered. Give that a quick save. Next, I will open the profile layout and then close the rest of the file. Then on my right side, I will open the SAS file of the profile layout and then close the rest of the SAS files. Next, in the component file, I want to remove the paragraph tag, and the structure of my layout will begin with an app bar, followed by a sidebar. Next will be the content. So in content, I want a div with a class name of profile layout underscore content. Inside that, I will have the feed and then my profile itself. So the feed will be the static post that we're going to set up, and then the profile will include the avatar and when the user can update their name and password. Next, I want to apply some base style. First, I'm going to say the body, a background color of purple dark. Also down here, I want it to be purple dark. Next, a displays of flex and then overflow hidden. Give that a quick save. Also a save over here. Now I want to work on my app bar. So I will create a component. Inside component, new folder. I will name it app bar. Inside that, 2 new files. The component itself and then the SAS file. Collapse my sidebar, drag my SAS file over to the right. Now I will import my variables. Inside components, inside variables, and then the SAS file, semicolon. I will define a class of app bar and give it a position of fixed because I want my app bar to be sticky on top. Give that a save. Jump into my component folder, import this style, appbar.css, and then define my variable as appbar. Next, I want a div tag with a class name of appbar. Inside that, I will have another div with a class name of appbar underscore wrapper. So the structure of my app bar begins with a logo, and then my avatar. In logo, I will have a div with a class name of appbar underscore logo. Inside that, an image tag. Look inside my assets folder, inside my image folder, and use the shuttle.svg. The alt will be logo. And then I also want a paragraph tag that will say MERN auth, one word. Give that a quick save. Go back to my SAS file and apply some style. So under fix, I want a top of 0, a mid height of 75 pixel, a width of 100%. I want it to be display flex, align item center. I want a background color of RGBA. The color will be purple light. And the alpha level will be 0.8. Next, I want a backdrop filter. The saturate level will be 80%. And a blur of 20 pixel. This will give my app bar a transparent, opaque kind of an effect. Next, I want the Z index to be 2. Now I will target my app bar wrapper. I want to display a flex. Justified content will be space between. Align item center. The width will be 100%. A padding of 0, top and bottom, and then 15 pixel left and right. Now I will target my app bar logo. Also display a flex. And then align item center. Now I will target the image, give it a width of 35 pixel, and then target my paragraph tag, give it a text transform of uppercase, a letter spacing of 4 pixel. I will scroll up a little bit, and then the text color will be pink, then a margin left of 12 pixel. Give that a quick save. Navigate to my profile layout. I will import the app bar. And then output it here under app bar. Give it a save and check out my front end. And here's my app bar for the moment. Alright, I will go back to VS Code. Next, I want to work on my avatar, and I will make a new component for that because we're going to use it in various places. I will open my sidebar, and then inside the component folder, I will make a new folder called avatar. And then inside that, 2 new files. The first is avatar.js, followed by avatar.scss. Close my sidebar. Drag my Sass file over to the right. I won't need to use the variables here, and I will define the style beforehand. I will say avatar, and then target the image tag. I will give it a width of 30 pixel, and also a height of 30 pixel. Object fit will be cover, and I want my avatar to be a circle, so bordius will be 50%. Give it a quick save, and then jump into my avatar.js file. Import the style, and then define my component as avatar. Inside that, I want a div tag with a class name of avatar. Next, an image tag. For now, in the source, I will use Unsplash API. So it is https://source.unsplash.com/collection/happy people, and the alt will be avatar. Give that a save. Navigate to my app.bar.js, import my avatar, and then navigate to my avatar section. Before I output it, I want a div with an app_bar_avatar class name, and then output my avatar component. Give it a save. Before checking out my front end, I want to go to my app.bar Sass file, target my app.bar avatar, target the image, give it a width of 50 pixel, also a height of 50 pixel. Give it a quick save, and now check my front end. So this is my app bar at the moment, and if I do a hard reload, it will be a random picture every time. So this will also wrap up the lesson, and I'll see you in the next lesson.